Hi everyone, I'm going to explain the project. The project title is Image to Tamil Text Extraction using TESSERACT in Flask. This project is useful for text extract from the image. Tamil text especially you make the process in this the project because only Tamil text extraction source only we will be giving this the project. This is the project abstract and the existing system is using OCR technology. It make a slow process from extract text from the image. So this is the proposed system. This proposed system is used for TESSERACT. The TESSERACT is useful for scanning the image and text extract easily and pretty fast. So using this TESSERACT to multiple language we can extract from the image, but this project will only extract the Tamil word and translate it and display in the front website. And this is the basic system requirements, the 4 GB RAM and the system software. We use the Anaconda and Python language. Now we go see the demo of the project. We are going to see the project demo of image to Tamil text extraction using TESSERACT in Flask. We know very well fastest scanning package is a TESSERACT. It can be extract multiple language, but in this demo we used to extract the Tamil text only from the image. Okay, and we use Anaconda software for running this project. After the path will be copied from the source of the project code, and after the project coding run, the URL came. After use the URL in any browser and paste it, the project will be run successfully. And choose the Tamil image and extract the button. Output will be show in the left side. Then now once again we try the another image. Okay, so click the image and extract the button. The output will be perfectly in the left side. Okay, so now extract the more Tamil words image. So now upload this and extract now. Perfectly get the output. Okay, the project will be done, and all the output process will be shown in the Anaconda. We can see like this. Along with the demo, the document will be attached. This is the introduction of the projects and sample details all in the documents. This is the architecture diagram of our projects. First, scanning, pre-process, segment the test and feature extract, classify the test and recognize the test. And this is the UML diagram for our project. So total concept will be all in the document. You can see whatever is the, and this is block diagram and the future extraction also I am giving the document, so you can be checking the document also. And we provide a literature survey. Wait, I will show. And the dataset process is a OCR technology, but we use the TESSERACT, so no problem that is. And this is literature survey. We will get the reference of some papers, so get reference and show in the literature survey about the abstract and title, author name and date of conference. So all details will give in the literature survey. And using Python domain, that explain simply and about the Python, using the system architecture, all about the Anaconda softwares. All the project details will be shown in these paragraphs and these documents. And almost done. And using some algorithms, so that's also explained in the document. And the conclusion of the projects. This is the full document we provide, and this is the reference of our projects. Okay, thank you guys.